Hey Liz,
Hey.
what are we building today?
Rectangle.
A rectangle.
Mm.
Cool. How many sides does a rectangle have, Liz?
4.
4.
Like
How?
this.
Like a square?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna build this rectangle. How many long sides are there, Liz?
2.
There's 2 long sides. And how many short sides?
2.
2. Good job. All right, let's get started. All right, friend, these are pieces that we use, but you are free to use whatever color, whatever shape you want. We are just trying to build a basic rectangle. Pitter patter, let's get at her. Let's go. Uh-huh. Yep, you're doing good. Ta-da! Huzzah! You're done! Thank you, Liz.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Sivagi.
Make sure you
Give a
give a thumbs up,
guys.
subscribe for more
Videos.
videos. Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.